Your microwave can boil a bowl of soup in 2 minutes, but the plate underneath comes out cool. Same box, same waves. So why does one get hot and the other doesn't? Inside, a part called the magnetron fires invisible microwaves into a sealed metal chamber. They bounce off the walls and fill the whole space, flooding your food from every direction at once. But the waves themselves aren't hot. They carry almost no heat at all. The trick is water. A water molecule is lopsided, slightly positive on one end, slightly negative on the other. That makes it a tiny magnet for electric fields, and a microwave is a fast-flipping electric field. Every time the field flips, each water molecule spins to line back up, flipping back and forth around 2.5 billion times every second. All that frantic twisting means the molecules crash and rub against their neighbors. That jostling is heat. The water doesn't get warmed. Its motion is the warmth. Now, the reveal. Your plate, glass, ceramic, has almost no water inside. Nothing for the waves to grab, so they pass straight through it and it stays cool. The plate only ever gets warm secondhand from the hot food sitting on top of it. Metal is different again. It doesn't let waves through, it reflects them. And on thin edges like a fork or foil, the waves pile up charge until it jumps the gap as a spark. That's the arcing you should never risk. So a microwave never really heats your food. It just makes the water inside it dance.